And we're back, Credit K's YouTube channel, where we talk about anything about personal credit, business credit, finance, crypto, bitcoins, investing in stocks, anything to level you up in life. We're here to talk about it. And today we are back with another great credit union, which is NASA Federal Credit Union. We're on the credit union wave, credit union bandwagon. And this might be one of the best credit unions I applied for and became a member of. So, since I'm bringing you so much value, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and that little notification bell right next to it, because I'm here daily, sometimes multiple times a day, with great credit content, whether it's shorts, whether it's floating head videos like these, or just me just being informal and kind of just breaking down what I think about a bank or think about a particular topic regarding finances and credit. So, NASA Federal Credit Union is a credit union based out of the Virginia, Maryland area, like so many government agency federal credit unions. But anyone can get a membership by applying through a third party organization, paying a small $20 membership fee to the organization, and they will grant you membership into the credit union. So let's kind of look at that. Become a member. So, eligible. They want you to be a part of NASA, but not if you're not a NASA member or live in the Maryland, Virginia area. Like it says here, we will provide a complimentary 1-year affiliated membership to National Space Society, which entitles you to full national membership. So you, by joining a space agency type deal, then you will get in there. But also fresh off this home World Series victory, my home team, Atlanta Braves, the throwback Dale Murphy jersey on today, celebrating the World Series win from last night. I'm not sure when you're going to watch this video, might be months from now, but I am from Atlanta native. I'm very proud of these home Braves. But since I'm not a Virginia or a member of NASA, I got in through this credit union, through that membership. Now, this bank is great for personal products. Everybody knows credit unions are amazing when it comes to giving high limit credit cards, low interest auto loans, and low interest savings and lines of credit, as well as personal loans, which this bank does all of the above. They have all of those features on the personal side. But the best thing about NASA Federal Credit Union is the business benefits. So I'm going to go to the business services right now, and we're going to see how many benefits or how many products NASA Federal Credit Union has for the business side. You will see just how powerful this credit union is. So, of course, they have business line of checking. You can get you a business checking account. Do not have to be in a certain area to get that checking account. You just have to be a member of NASA Federal, which I just showed you how to become a member. They got business savings accounts, business credit cards, which give you 0% interest for first 12 months. I've done the data points on these already, as well as rewards on these cards. They have a platinum and a regular NASA Federal card. So they only have 2 cards, unlike Navy Federal that has 5. But these 2 cards give very high limits. They also do commercial real estate, which a lot of other credit unions do not do. So if you in the space of building a home or getting a business built out, I'm getting a building built out for your business, or if you want to buy a apartment complex, if you're in the real estate, and buy a duplex and use one half as your business, another half of your residence. What is a smart thing to do is called house hacking, which is a great way to utilize your credit. That's something you can do. And of course, business loans. loans. Now they offer floor plans, they offer commercial auto loans, vehicle loans, equipment loans. I mean, it's amazing all the things that they offer um, people through their business products. Their business loan, they loan up to 250,000 new or used loans, up to 100% of the vehicle book value. So they go 100% of Kelly Blue Book. Now with used car prices extremely high right now, it's kind of hard to get a fair value, but you know, NASA, they definitely will work with you. Business equipment loans as well, 250,000. So if you need any equipment for your business, this is a great bank to go through. Let me see if I can get back to the portion where they were speaking on how to get the lines of credit. All right, here's the lines of credit. Now, I was saying floor plans. Now, floor plans usually deal with car dealerships. It's basically a large line of credit, see up to 2 million, and it's backed by the capital you get. Um, so, you know, if you're buying cars and selling them and receiving a monthly payment for selling those cars, like most car dealers do, or get the money up front for selling the car from the bank that you know the customer has funding through, then you can pay back the loan that way. And they require their payments sometimes weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So these floor plans can be expensive, but they're, like I said, it's very high limit loans, and high limits up to $2 million that they give you in order to start your dealership business or any other kind of business that you need a lot of capital, as well as real estate. They also do revolving line of credit. So this is something I'm going to apply for once you know, I kind of get this bank account seasoned. I just got approved this week, and I'm going to go for the credit card first, and then I'm going to go for this revolving line of credit. Probably about April of 2022. Make sure and all my tax returns and everything are up to date, and make sure my bank statements are high enough that I will get approved and get a good amount of money. So, you know, I teach people through my business credit mentorship how to fund your businesses, how to funnel money through your business. Even if you're not generating the revenue that you expect to make, you know, in the next couple of months, right now, I show you how to use credit cards, liquidate those credit cards, and run money through your business bank account to make your business look more established, to get the goal of getting those high limit credit, you know, high limit lines of credit. Not to just blow off and go on vacations, buy jewelry, buy clothes, a bunch of crap you don't need, but in order to grow your business, start a new business, buy equipment at a very low interest rate that, you know, most startups don't get opportunities to have. So that's the very powerful of NASA. I'm going to call it Navy. NASA Federal Credit Union. Um, Definitely go apply. Anybody can apply by, you know, going that backdoor method by joining the NASA Society. So check them out, and I highly recommend that. Till next time, Credit K. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe if you're still here. I mean, you found some value. Later.